Welcome to MoleHill Mining. It is the 10th. It is 10:15. 10th of March, 2021. Gimme your mine. God damn, I love this song. All right. Let's let that ride just a little longer while I, just a little. Okay. Looking good out there. Looking good. Most of the big names are green. Some of the mid-market caps are smaller. This is MoleHill Mining. This is hopefully educational. Maybe it's entertaining, but dude, this is not financial advice. I'm playing fucking punk music over a crypto thing. Does this sound like a place to get financial advice? If you think so, then just fucking give up. Bitcoin is in first place. $56,000.8, pushing up on that. 57. Looks, we'll look in a second, but it looks like it's trying to ride up. Oh. You might be able to tell that I did a show already and fucked it up. So here we are in the second round. Okay. Ethereum, 1.8, second place. Binance Coin is up in third place, 28.5. Cardano is in fourth place at $1.17, pushing Tether down to fifth place. Let's see how close is all this. Where's the market caps? 37, 37. So Tether and Cardano are going to battle a little bit while Binance just blew it up. Polkadot's in sixth place at 38.55. XRP is in seventh place at 46 cents. Uniswap 31.55 in eighth place. LiteCoin 205.06 in ninth place. Chainlink rounding out the top 10 at 30.58. God, I got to do that every time. I really like talking over tunes. It is way more fun. Let's see. Oh my God, what? The fucking mouse died. Wireless mice, dude. Thank you. Plug it in. This is the Murphy's Law show, dude. I'm already doing like a second version for the day, so if this one sucks, you're just gonna have to deal with it. 13.5 hours since our last visit, 6% up. As you can see, the cloud went ahead and switched hard here at like what, 4 in the morning, from some pretty strong resistance to some pretty decent support. Let's get a little bit more details going on. We can see that the conversion line has been up top of the baseline since just a little bit after we talked. At 11 o'clock last night, we had a gold cross. The lagging indicator is above the conversion line, not by a hell of a lot. It's sort of down. And blah, blah, blah. I don't want a relationship with this website. Fucking never, ever send me notifications for anything. Fucking anybody. Never. All right, thanks. Let's keep going. Let's look at some EMAs. They are spread out and positive for a positive push. As you can see, there's enough gap here. And also they are oriented in the correct direction to go upward motion there. LiteCoin, Mimble Wimble, completed on March 15th. That is something they've been talking about for a little while. I might not have had it in the news show for at least some months or weeks, but Mimble Wimble is a security protocol that just basically, I'll keep it simple. It basically allows you to launder your coins. Privacy advocates are for it. Law enforcement people are not. I don't know. You be the judge of whether or not money should be publicly ledgered or it should be private. But LiteCoin's bidding on privacy. I think for now, at least, Mimble Wimble is optional. I don't think. I think you'll have to like opt into it for a particular transaction, and you'd have to be using a wallet that supports it on both ends, I believe. I'll probably do a show on just that to clarify that whenever that information is available. Korean crypto exchanges could soon face fines or gaps and due diligence measures. Okay, so I wanted to keep the streak alive. We talked about Korea the last like 4 days in a row, but the other interesting thing is there's a lot of things happening there and a lot of contradictory information coming out of the government. Kind of about like, here's the rules and regulations. Oh no, we're gonna restrict all this. Oh no, we're gonna open it back up. So yeah, I don't know if the exchanges operating out of Korea are lacking due diligence like severely, or if they are kind of like XRP in the United States, if you're familiar with that story. If they're like going off of what one government agency is saying and then another one's disagreeing with that, and then it's sort of like shit rolls downhill and it ends up on the exchange's problem list instead of the government's, which was where it should be, because the governments aren't rolling out fast enough. They're not adopting new technology fast enough. But I mean, who can blame them? Because this shit's brand new. We don't even have the language in our human language to explain what we're dealing with here with digital currencies. So it's weird. I think things there will be all right. They just got to like clarify. JP Morgan is coming up with like a crypto exposure basket, but it's criticized for not being crypto. Okay, dude, look. If you want to buy crypto, buy crypto. Just go to an exchange and buy it. No one's stopping you. That's what's so cool is it's democratized and it's peer to peer. If you're gonna do that, you're risking, you're risking what's it called, loss, and that's fine if you like that. I like that. It's kind of like gambling. It's kind of fun. It's cool. Like I know the risk. If you're putting your money with JP Morgan, you're not interested in gambling. You want to see it grow. And the only gambling you're doing is it going to grow a lot or a little. If I put it in this crypto basket, is that going to be better or worse than a traditional? Those are the kinds of things you're thinking about at JP Morgan. You're not like, just put it all in Bitcoin. Because then you just fucking buy the Bitcoin. So that criticism, I think, is kind of weird. But let's take a look at the basket. I mean, look, MicroStrategy. I don't think they're entirely. This is a company that just takes your money and invests it. I don't think that they're entirely based on crypto, but I think that it's the majority of their holdings. Or it's rapidly becoming the majority of their holdings. That's the news cycle that keeps coming up with MicroStrategy. Square, that's Jack Dorsey. That's he runs Twitter. He runs Cash App and Square. They're big on crypto. I don't know what their holdings are. Riot Blockchain, I kind of forget the details, but obviously it's a blockchain company. It's a company that works on products that work on stuff like crypto, stuff like Bitcoin. NVIDIA makes the graphics cards. This is where you're finally moving kind of away. Like just they make their profits based on miners buying their cards, but they're not like, well, they might have some investment in crypto, but it's not like their main thing like it is for MicroStrategy. PayPal is kind of like Square. It's like this payment processing thing where they're holding more and more and more of their value in cryptocurrencies because they're trading it. They're allowing their users to do that and blah, blah, blah. So right here, 20%, but damn near 20%, another 15%, and then 10%. Okay, let's not count this one as much. Let's give these two half and half. This is called, you're still looking at fucking 50% is directly on companies that work in this field. And then the other 50% is companies that are technology companies that benefit from the rise and fall of crypto, but don't really, like, you're not directly impacted. I don't know. I think it's close enough when you go to a company like this. I don't know why the criticism. How cheesy. If people can just buy their crypto if they want their crypto. This one's kind of boring. I'm just going to like blow out. Basically, I think what happened here is that, so Ripple, they go on YouTube, they make a YouTube channel, but then a bunch of scammers make fake Ripple accounts and scam a bunch of people. And then those people get mad at the real Ripple, right? And so the real Ripple's like, bro, YouTube, can you please give us like that blue check mark thing or whatever the equivalent of YouTube is? Because everyone keeps accusing us of ripping them off. And YouTube dragged their feet, and it got really bad to the point where XRP took them to court. And I think basically YouTube's going to be like, oh, sorry, give them a check mark and probably some money, because that's how court cases go. And yeah, that's the news. Thank you for stopping in, and I will see you all this evening.